Snow can create a headache for many, especially when it comes to shoveling it. Our Kimberly Kerr explains the best and most efficient way to get that snow out of your way.
When snow first falls, it can be beautiful and even fun for some that may go out and play in it. But eventually, it comes time that you have to shovel this mess, and that's not always a walk in the park.
Remember, snow shoveling is actually a very strenuous exercise and activity. You have to use lots of muscles, and snow can actually be heavier than we think.
And Wednesday's storm brought that heavy, wet snow, the worst kind when it comes to having to shovel.
Because again, snow can be very heavy, and it can cause a lot of strain and sprain when we're trying to lift the snow. It can cause a lot of pressure on our back, a lot of, again, strain on our muscles and things like that.
But your muscles aren't the only concern.
We also worry about the heart because it can actually put extra strain on the heart as well. And sometimes we find that heart attacks sometimes increase around the times where there's lots of snow shoveling.
So she has simple tips that will go a long way when it comes to staying safe while clearing that snow.
I think it's really important, first of all, to know your body. It's really important to understand your underlying medical conditions.
And if you're healthy enough,
it's important, I think, to not use a very large shovel. It seems like it'd be the most efficient because you get rid of more snow quickly, but the idea is the more snow we put on our shovel, the heavier it is and the harder it is on our bodies.
Secondly, if you can push the snow rather than lift it, that'll help alleviate some of the pressure.
Finally, is that if you are going to shovel your own snow and you're lifting the snow, make sure that you're lifting properly, that you're using proper mechanics to actually lift the snow so that you can avoid injury.
She recommends contacting a doctor to make sure you're good to get to work on clearing the snow. I'm Kimberly Kerr for SNJ Today.